up, guys? Welcome back. I'm lady.a.locs, and if you don't know, this is Locks in Life. Now, I told you guys in the previous video that there was going to be a part two. So here it is. So today I'm going to be doing my very first ACV rinse. Yes, my very first ACV rinse. We're going to clean all the junk that's in my hair out. And I got some tips and tricks that you might want to try. So stay tuned. lady.a.locs. Let's do it. So my dilemma in trying to do this ACV rinse was, what can I use to properly submerge my head in and get all of my locks in without being ridiculously uncomfortable? Now, I've watched a lot of other videos and I see people, they have their bodies draped over sinks, they have their heads kind of angled inside of a bowl, and all of which I feel you're either uncomfortable doing it, or in doing it, you're not completely getting your hair submerged in the liquid, allowing for an effective ACV rinse. So what I came up with was this. Boom! A styrofoam bucket, usually used for summer cookouts or the beach or whatever. The smallest one that I could find. So what I intend to do is cut a oval-like portion out of this bucket. Man, I feel like I'm doing some type of science show. Anyway, cut a oval-like portion out of this bucket, which will allow me to rest my head comfortably. And it's deep enough that I can get all the liquids I need inside the bucket without spilling out. Think it can work? I think it can work. And plus it's a styrofoam container, so it makes for easy cutting. So, let's do it. Let's do it. So we're gonna cut this. Let's see if I can angle this right. Alright? Cut it like this. That's good. I should make like a line. Let me make a line so I know where to stop cutting. It's not a straight line, but it'll work. Start curving it. Curve! I think that's good. What you think, Cal? Good? Let's do this one. Ooh, nice! Look at that. Ooh, make a mess. See? Take it out. You see it? There you go. There we go. That's pretty good. See how simple that was? That was very simple. That was very simple. So now let's try resting our head in it. Let's give it a go. Yeah. That was pretty good. Callie, stay away from the phone. Alright. My head is in the bowl. Or bucket. Let me move it to one side. Can you see that? So I'll turn sideways. Okay, guys. See? My head's in the bowl. Looking good. I'm on the floor, of course. Let's look at it from the top. Oh, nice. My head is in the bowlish bucket, as you can see, and it's completely resting in there. And as you can see, my locks are in there, in the container. So hopefully this will work out fine. Yeah, let's see. Okay, so what we have here is a 3/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 of a cup of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. So we will combine all of these with water into this bucket. Ooh. Oh, chemistry. Interesting. Using the foam bucket is very helpful in getting all of your locks completely submerged in the water, but you definitely need a second person to help you, because trying to get your arms in there to rinse out your hair by yourself is extremely difficult, and you can't move around as much because it is a foam container, and if you move around a lot you'll run the risk of breaking the container. This is not the kind of liquid you want spilling all over your living room floor. So we're just gonna sit for a little bit and see how it goes. I have no idea.
How's your neck?
My neck is not completely comfortable, but it's alright.
That's because you have a towel underneath.
Yeah, I think it's pushing my neck up when before it was laying flat.
Is that comfortable or no?
No, I think with the towel underneath there is making it uncomfortable. I think without the towel I would have been a little bit more level. Kind of.
You want to take it off?
Mm-hmm.
You want to take it down?
Oh, it's alright.
Alright. Check back in a few.
Bye.
Peace.
I just finished washing my hair, and I have to say, my hair felt so heavy when I was washing my hair, and a lot of buildup was still coming out of my hair. Like you could see it along my scalp that it was lifting up. But again, it just felt really heavy, and my hair felt really dry and rough to the touch, almost like it felt like a rope, like a wet rope. But anyway, I've kept my hair, I put some conditioner in my hair, and I've left it in my hair for about a half an hour with this heating cap on. So now I'm gonna take it off, and I'm gonna rinse my hair out. Look at that. I put a lot of conditioner in my hair because of how it felt when I was washing out that vinegar, baking soda solution. So now I'm gonna rinse out this conditioner, and then Sweetie's going to start retwisting my hair with the aloe plant. I won't show you all of that, but I will show you the finished product, and hopefully it turns out good. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. Bye. Okay, so if you hear some purring, that's Shadow down there laying on my clothes. So I am done. I just rinsed all of the conditioner out my hair. My hair looks really clean. Look at all this. It just took that twist out. I can't say that that's... Oh man, what the heck? What the... Ooh, it's gonna be a lot of detangling here. Oh boy. Wow. Wow. Okay, so yeah. And my hair is, yeah. So, it's all out. It's all out. Let's do a quick. It feels really clean and it looks really, really clean. You know? And again, I've had my locks in for just 1 year. So it looks really good. It looks like it cleaned it really good. Now, they say you should do it continuously until that murky, dirty water starts to get clear, as if you hadn't put your hair in it at all. But I only did it that one time, and I really can't see myself doing it more than once, because it really, my hair is super dry right now. And even conditioning it for half an hour, it still feels quite dry. So I think for the next up and coming days, I'm going to do a lot of moisturization, a lot of oiling in my hair to make sure it stays, it's so that way it gets healthy, and it doesn't get dry or brittle. So, alright guys, so that's it. I'll be back with the finished product once Sweetie finishes retwisting my hair, and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Alright, I'm out.
Yes, we're back, and before we start to twist her hair up with some homemade aloe vera gel with just the plant, what I have done is recently she had I don't know if you guys remember, but in one of her videos, and we'll link it down below, she had 2 small locks because her barber, or was it a different barber? Yeah, a different barber had came too close up here. He clipped the lock. So what I did was he only clipped half of it. So I linked both of them together, and what I did was I didn't use any type of tool or anything. As you can see, she has 2 ends right here, but it's joined at the root of one. I just twisted them together, didn't add no type of tool, no different type of mechanism, just pretty much twist them both together, and it performed one dread from the root all the way to these little scragglies down here, which is about I would say 2 inch for this one and about 3 inch for the thicker one. So what we're going to do today is clip this little guy off right here, this one, because we don't want to mess with the original lock. We just want to take off this. Now we were going to decide to keep it on, but being that as you can see, this is a very nice, gorgeous lock here already, might as well just clip this little guy off. The same thing on this side as well. Same thing, thick and joined at the roots. And now it's time for this little guy to go. This one actually is longer than the fatter one, but because this one is very thick, because this one is very thick, we're just gonna snip this little guy off. Now this is our first time doing something like this, guys, so I'm just gonna go like that.
You cut it?
Yep.
You cut it?
So as you can see.
Oh my gosh, you serious? Let me see.
And this is perfectly intact now.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Oh my baby, no! Oh no! Oh wow!
All right, so now I'm gonna do this side as well. Just going right. Here we go. There you have it, guys.
What is it?
One long, one short. Oh wait, hold on, let it focus. Okay, we'll be back.
Alright, so this is what my hair looks like after a thorough ACV rinse. And as y'all can see, that water was so dirty. I was shocked to see how dirty it was. But I'm glad I did it. My hair feels so light, so fresh. It moves so nicely. When I was washing all that vinegar and that whole concoction out of my hair felt very heavy. It felt like wet rope. It didn't feel good at all, and I was almost having second thoughts about me getting the ACV rinse. But I conditioned my hair. I sat under a heating cap for about a half an hour. Sweetie twisted my hair and everything, and it just came out so nice. You know, it looks so healthy and so clean. I can't even tell you. And I'm fresh from the barbershop, so you know the dude was looking kind of on point. So let me give y'all a quick 360 before I'm out of here. So check it out. That's the front. And the sides, looking all fresh to death. This is back. Back. That's the back. That's the kitchen. Can't forget about the kitchen. You know? And we're back again. So guys, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed my 1 year mark of my lock journey. Please expect more videos. There will be more to come. And always, peace, blessings, and let's hear grace. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out.